Hey there, fellow business owners and professionals. Thanks for tuning in to today's Friday Minute. We have an exciting conversation ahead, especially for family owned businesses and those in the behavioral health and healthcare industries. We're going to dig deep into making technology not just work, but work for you. If you've ever felt like tech solutions are a confusing maze of a one size fits all, then today's minutes are for you. Let's face it, every business is like a fingerprint, unique and individual, especially if you're a family owned business or healthcare. You've got specific needs that generic tech solutions just won't meet. Do you ever feel like your IT vendor is trying to take your unique defined shape and shove it into a perfectly squared off box? Your IT should be as unique as the service you provide. It's about understanding the actual needs of your business and finding ways to make technology bend and flex to meet those requirements. You don't have to be a PhD in IT to understand what's best for your business. You need solutions that are easy as clicking a button. The beauty of making tech solutions work simple and efficient lies in cutting through the jargon, focusing on what genuinely helps your operations, whether it's safeguarding patient data in healthcare or ensuring a seamless inventory management in family owned shops. Identifying risk, understanding your individual business needs, and tailoring a straightforward solution that works for your business without putting a stranglehold on production. We've had the honor of working with various businesses, including family owned businesses that have been around for generations, behavioral health centers dedicated to community well being, and healthcare providers who are the backbone of our society. For instance, we've helped a family owned resort recover from a ransomware attack, identify existing risk, and tailor a solution that draws down that risk, keeping them protected and continue operations through their busy season. Then there's the behavioral health center. We've streamlined their technology needs from procurement to support as they grow, all while identifying risk and helping to mitigate it, making it easier for them to focus on what they do best, providing exceptional care. And lastly, let's not forget about a local healthcare clinic that we were able to safely and efficiently manage their electronic health records, boosting their overall service quality. These are real stories and real businesses finding their footing in the technology world. It's not just about implementing technology, it's about driving meaningful change that helps businesses excel in their unique fields. We're all in this together, learning from each other, supporting each other, and thriving together. So, if you want technology to be your business's ally, not a stumbling block, let's connect. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in. And remember, when technology is personalized, it becomes a seamless extension of your vision. See you next time, and let's continue to grow and innovate and succeed. And if you want to book a 15-minute strategy session to learn more, scan the QR code or go to underdog.contact. Take care, everybody, and stay safe.